Hello! Today we are going to test Malkin's drone. While we're walking here, I can tell you some things about the thermal imaging. What we want to do is to obtain absolute leaf temperature, which can be used for estimating transpiration, the absolute amount of transpiration, and obviously the spatial heterogeneity over a field. And for this we need absolute leaf temperatures, and for this we're going to utilize a drone. Thermal imaging is not easy, especially the calibration issue has not been resolved, and that's why we study it, and we're going to see what Malkin has for us in terms of calibration. Aha! This is Malkin. So you're measuring temperature on those panels, and one is black and one is white, and they should be really different. And obviously the drone is measuring these temperatures, and therefore we can compare and calibrate throughout the flight at multiple points in time. Target 9, status moving.
So every time the line ends on our side, it takes a measurement again.